just a warning, if you're gonna start this job to change your dashboard capacitor so you can turn on and off, make sure you have these, because they all gonna be pieces. You gotta order 4 of these because that plastic will break so easy. Like you see, after we put it back, it's all broken. See, so you need 4 of these vents before you start this job. All right, today we have a dashboard here for the famous Prius, Toyota Prius. I think it's 2007, 8 and 9. It keep turning off and we don't know what speed we're going. So we're gonna fix that, not changing anything, but we're gonna fix it. So we got for ourselves here a capacitor right here. This is how many? This is a 220 capacitor. So we're gonna replace it. Here is the box. This is the box, and we're gonna go ahead and replace this one because I think it's not enough. It stopped working. Once that stops working, you have no dashboard. Okay, we got a meter here, and this is the capacitor, and it reads 129.2 or 0.3, which is perfect. That's what we need for this job right here. We push these 2 tabs out just like this, and it's easy to take this off. There you go, first one is off. Same thing here, 2 tabs on the side, and we just pull easy and slow. There you go. All right, now we're gonna open this slowly, and there is a small connector here on the side. We want to disconnect that without damaging it. Okay, and pull the sides slowly until it's out. This side here is plus, and this side is minus. Yeah, it reads about, though it's good, it reads about 80 some. Okay, if we go here in the back, right now we took off this right here, this capacitor. Took it off from this side right there, plus and minus, as you can see. Yes, right here. So now we're gonna weld our new one, the plus with the plus and the minus with the minus. That's what it is. Okay, now we're gonna weld it. We're gonna put some welding on it, and then we put it and melt the welding on the top of the existing welding. We put it on the screwdriver just to hold it in that hole, and it actually works. It's holding it like we want. So we're gonna put all welding on both sides, and then we're gonna weld this back to the card. All right, now we took off that capacitor, and we install another one right here. You see it's right there. So we're gonna try this and see if it works. I don't know where is the other one. I took it off. It's somewhere here. Okay, that's what it is.
After installing everything, Now we're gonna try it. It's working now.
That was the way to fix your existing dashboard. Thank you for watching, and make sure you like and subscribe. Thank you.